So here you can see that a bullet hits a large tree with a velocity of 20 meter per second and penetrates it up to a distance of 6 centimeter. Find the retardation. The meaning of retardation is deceleration of the bullet. So it is giving that it is hitting a large tree. So I have drawn a tree. So there is a bullet. So the bullet is hitting the tree at a velocity of 20 meter per second. So bullet is hitting a tree at a velocity of 20 meter per second, and it penetrates up to a distance of 6 centimeter. So after 6 centimeter, the bullet comes at rest. That means the bullet stops. So if the bullet stops, then the final velocity will be obviously 0 meter per second. So we are given to find the deceleration. Deceleration is nothing but acceleration only, but in a negative one. That means minus of acceleration. Don't worry about that. The answer will obviously come in minus automatically, because the final velocity is less than the initial velocity. So we will use the equation of motion here. So which equation of motion we will use? Here it is given the distance as, we are given u, we are given v, then we are to find a. So we have three equations of motion, v equal to u plus at. So the first equation we cannot use because time is not given. Then let us come to the second equation. The second equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square. So here is also a parameter t, time. So but time parameter is not given here. So let us come to the third equation of motion. The third equation of motion is v square equal to u square plus 2as. So here it is given v, here it is given u, and also s is also given. So we are to find a. So the third equation can be used for this problem. So here we are given that the initial velocity is 20 meter per second, final velocity is 0 meter per second, and distance is 6 by 100 meter. So we have to find the acceleration. Now we know that v square equal to u square plus 2as. Take the other parameters, separate a in one side, then we get a is equal to v square minus u square divided by twice s. So this implies a is equal to, when we put the values of v, u and s, we get this 0 square minus 20 square divided by 2 into 6 by 100. So this is equal to minus 20 square means minus 400, minus 400 into 100, because there is a 100 in the denominator of the denominator, that you can see 2 into 6 by 100, that 100 comes above. So this becomes minus 400 into 100 divided by 2 into 6. So we cancel out numbers because 6 into 2 is 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 100, then it becomes 4 3s are 12. So 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 4. I have written in exponential form. This makes things easy. So minus 1 by 3 into 10 to the power 4. We have calculated it. Minus 1 by 3 means 0.333 into 10 to the power 4, which is equal to minus 3.33 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second square. So this is a scientific form. We used to write in this manner in a scientific form. So this is the required deceleration. Since it is deceleration, therefore we have got the value in a negative number. That is how we get a negative acceleration. Negative acceleration means deceleration, and another term is also used, retardation, to represent deceleration. So this was about the problem.